sound has so much body.
Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about Android phones. Something I'm not super into. I'm more of an iPhone person myself, but there are a lot of open opportunities in Android. Number one being that you can install Linux as well as Kali Linux from Android. Being as it is a Linux-based operating system, it's just a Linux distribution. It's a little more malleable than an iPhone, which has proprietary information on how to change the battery, for instance. So, in this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to get Kali Linux running on any Android telephone, and I'll also send a link to a new security problem where you can plug an Android phone straight into an iPhone without Wi-Fi or anything like that. If you just leave your phone out for 5 minutes, somebody can plug it in and get root access to your iPhone. So that's a new one. Just came out a couple weeks ago, I believe. AT&T caught it first, but that is another topic which I'll probably touch on throughout this, but let's go ahead and get you started. Oh, look, I'm a hacker. I'm Mr. Robot. I'm going to crack the SIM card of this. And what tool is he using? Of course, Kali. And he is on an Android phone, so they called in a lot of technical directors to get this kind of stuff right. I just didn't know Freddie Mercury was such a computer whiz. I mean, I could even type in and I hit this button and send information to their server. We've broken the law. So that's something to keep in mind. I don't want anybody to go to jail, and this is purely for research purposes. Um, but, you know, they probably shouldn't be using WordPress at this point. I mean, but anyways, let me show you on my phone how it works.